Hello everyone! So, this is my official entry for the Scale Models of Gentlemen group build, sorry. As you can see, it's in a lot of pieces. I think I have everything there. Somebody kind of started it, obviously, but I did not take this apart. It actually came this way, so I'm hoping everything's there. It looks like it is, just from putting it all together. Whoops, sorry about that. Yeah, so, I'm not sure what direction I'm going with yet. Obviously, it's got to have the either solid wheels. I'd like to probably put the wire wheels up front. Something like this, the steel ones, of course, which are within the rules. So, I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. I might just go with the yellow. I don't know. I think what I'm thinking about doing is going with more of a rusted rat rod look to it. So let me know in the comments what you think. And then I have this one too. Boom. This, you're going to have to do some research. Maybe you guys know more about this than I do. What it is it was in an MPC kit from 1967, I believe. It only came out 1 year, and it's a 32 Chevy panel truck. And they did come out, I believe, with the 33 also. That had different wheels on it. It was more of a hot rod-ish semi sort of thing. Where this was in called a Gangbuster set, and it was a 9-in-1 kit. As far as I know, that's the only one ever made that had a 9-in-1 kit. So, yeah, it's pretty neat. All stock, never been painted. All the pieces, I think I have most of the pieces. I think I'm missing a few things. Like I think I only have one of the side wheels that goes in the side there, in the little. So, originally I was going to chop this sucker. But now that I've done some research, so this was put out in like I said, 66, I think, 67. But they actually retooled it to make another model kit. So this never came out again after the 1933 version came out. This never came out again. So this is a very rare kit. I think I'm just going to build it stock. I don't, which is, for me, is saying a lot. It's just such a rare kit that I think I just don't want to mess it up. And I like thinking of it, having that kind of history. So it's a really neat kit. It has the double doors that open in the back. And like I said, it was part of the Gangbusters kit, so it came with like a shotgun and a bunch of other stuff. You could also make it into, I think, a police panel truck, I think. But there's a lot of different options you could do. So I think I am missing one of the little chrome doohickeys there, so I'm hoping I can find that in my box somewhere. The lights I'm going to have to fix because they've been broken. But yeah, so otherwise, I think here's the windshield. And so just to make sure, I looked at a lot of the different pictures on this, and sure enough, it is actually the A32 Chevy panel truck. And you can, I don't know if you could see it, but there's the Chevy symbol right there. There it is. Now, why this came in chrome, I don't know. A little better look of the underbody. So it looks like it's all meant to be wood, that sort of thing. Do have a little bit of glue issue there, but otherwise, whoever put this together did a really good job. There's not really a lot of glue anywhere. Yeah, just a neat little kit. And if you know anything about this kit, please let me know down in the comments. I'm really interested to find out a little more info. I was not able to find a lot of info on it, so I'm hoping some of you guys have been in this for quite a while will know a little bit more than what I'm able to find. So yeah, so anyway, that's that. And those are my 2 official builds. And can't wait to get these started, especially the chopped deuce. I'm really excited to do that one. And I am Jerry, and I'm signing off. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it.